everyone. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day, making some really good trades. And yep, we can see that Bitcoin looks like it got rejected at the 57,000 or sorry, yeah, $57,900 levels. We could get a better glimpse of it right here on this chart. We did have a 4-hour candle, a 4-hour candle close above it, above this green box right here. But eventually, look, it appears that we've reversed back down and are starting to come back down once again. So this was this bullish divergence right here ended up playing out a little bit, not all the way. So I did make a little bit of a trade here, small gain, nothing too crazy. And if we don't hold the $55,600 level, which was a previous bottom, I definitely think there are some chances that we could break back down and start to maybe revisit the $52,000 to $54,000 levels. I think that obviously you could probably redraw this line a little bit better, depending on how you have your touch points. This is where I have mine. This is how I've drawn my line. But yeah, we could see that we have a big green resistance box at 52,720 down to 51,500. So I'm probably going to put some buy orders down here. In my opinion, I think the dip is almost over. I think we're going to bottom out soon and before we have our next leg up to the upside. And at the moment, you can see that everything is selling off pretty severely. ADA actually getting rejected from this purple resistance box right here. So for you guys that are holding ADA, it's possible that ADA keeps diving right now, possibly to head to some previous lows, like $1.02 or maybe $1.13. We could probably draw a bigger resistance box down here. I'll probably do that later and share that in the chat. But yeah, this is some very key support as we can see right there for ADA. Even on the VPVR, I'm assuming there would probably be some very big levels that you guys are going to be able to see here. Let's just take a look and zoom out. This might not be as, you can see that right here. So you can see that this was big resistance, got rejected. We might be coming down to $1.27 to maybe $1.13, at which point the bottom would be $1 as itself, and that is a big psychological level as well. Adam also coming down right now. We did have that breakout, and then we made a crazy trade, 79% in one day, and then now we're starting to come back down. Honestly, everything's gonna follow Bitcoin. So if you're in some long positions right now and they're low leverage, you could definitely hold them on. I'm holding my long positions with low leverage. I believe Rick is still in his trades as well. $2 million trade on Bybit. Our VeChain investment also coming down. I'm not too worried, guys. I play things very cool, very chill. I don't go crazy on my trades, and when I do, it's just for fun, obviously. But right now we can see that we are sitting at a 5% gain now on our VeChain investment. Obviously, lots of gains are being erased, but overall, gonna hold that till it's over. Big profits. Right now, we could also see Bitcoin, sorry, what am I saying? Or spot buy on Bitcoin. Very long day today, guys. We can see that we are back in a 26% profit. And let's just take a look at market cipher. On the daily time frame, we have a 12 and a -4. And on the 4-hour, we could probably see that things could be getting a little bit worse. We did have a nice little trigger wave right here, but we're getting a small dip at the moment with this red candle. As we can see, we could go on smaller time frames. You can see a red X right in the 16. Money flow starting to come back into red. Larger time frames could outline this maybe a little bit better. You can see on the weekly time frame, we did have this red dot, and now we're starting to come back down with this 18 candle, right? 18 at a -5, showing that for the time being we're going to come down. But on the monthly, it's still showing bullish, right? And I believe there's still 7 days. I guess a lot could happen, right? It doesn't take long to pump, but the lower we go, the less likely this is for us to happen. But we're gonna hold on to our trade, and we're gonna put our money where our mouth is. Anyways, guys, hope this analysis was helpful. We could also see that Ethereum is also coming back down to some key support at 40,000, or basically so not 40,000, $4,000. Wow, what is wrong with me today? I'm completely out of it. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this analysis. If you do, definitely join the Discord. There's daily content there every single day. And I'll talk to you guys later. Peace.